subscribe my channel to learn more about English grammar.
To my dear students, today's in this video we all learn about articles. So a question arises in our mind that what is article? So article are definitely are the adjectives. Articles are the adjectives since they modify noun. But something special that articles are also the determiners. Articles are a, an and the. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. Definite article the and indefinite article a, an. Here is example. We know the definite article the makes the noun something particular. The makes the noun something particular. Example, give me the ball. The ball means that particular ball. Give me the ball. The ball means that particular ball. A and an. This is the indefinite article and makes the noun something general. Suppose we give example, give me a ball. Give me a ball. Give me an egg. An egg, a ball means general. Here the option is general, not particular. So this is all about types of articles. Now all my students, we know that in English there are 26 alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 26 alphabets. These 26 alphabets is divided into two vowels and consonants. We learn from our class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. that article a and an is used before vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel, and before vowel we use article an. And before consonants, like besides vowel, 26 letters A, E, I, O, U, vowels, 5 vowels, and 19 other consonants. Before consonants you use the. But here we know that some special qualities of consonants, but before some consonants we use article an. For example, suppose we learn that he is dash MLA. He is dash MLA. He is dash MLA. Here we write an, article an. Why? This is the consonant, but it speaks, it pronounce like M, A, vowel. For that reason we use an, article an. Dash umbul, H, consonant, but it is pronounced as vowel. For that reason we use an umbul. So this is before consonant we use an article. In the next video we will also learn about the definite article the, some of the rule and the regulations of article the. Thank you all of my students.
In part 2.
Now we read definite article, that is the. Some of the rules and regulations of using article the. Rule number 1 is newspaper. Before newspaper, before the name of newspaper we use article the, like the Samaj, the Prajatantra, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, etc. These are the name of paper, and before the name of paper we use article the. Similarly, rule number 2, before the name of rivers and oceans, like the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Tapti, the Krishna, the Ganga, etc. So these are the name of the rivers, and before the name of the river we use article. For the name of ocean we use definite article the. Rule number 3, that is before the name of directions. Before the name of directions, we use article the, definite article the, like the north, the south, the west, the east, etc. Rule number 4, unique object. The headmaster, the principal, these are the unique of the sun, the moon, unique object. Used in natural phenomenon. Before used in natural phenomenon, we also used before that we use definite article the, like the wind is blowing very fast. The wind is blowing very fast. These are the examples of article the, and these are all some of the article, definite article and indefinite article. And next period, my dear students, and I hope now you will just learn something about this, and tomorrow we will learn more about other grammar.